Alright, so this morning I had a really hard time finding gluten-free breakfast again. It seems like lunch and dinner are better, but breakfast is very difficult. So as I'm walking towards the Britannia, which is where I'm going today, all by myself because Tammy got ill, I happened to stop at this Embo, and they were able to make some eggs and bacon for me. And so I quickly had a nutritious breakfast. Because the two places that I went this morning, everywhere I went, they told me that they had nothing gluten-free. So not good for breakfast in Scotland unless you have a sit down at a breakfast place, maybe.
Yeah, her day just didn't sound like a lot of fun when you leave. So we have baked haddock with fries, gluten-free, mashed potatoes, not gluten-free, with a haddock. We'll see what it tastes like. Cute little flag that says gluten-free, gluten-free. Alright, so today is my final in Edinburgh, and we've had a great 4 days. It's been a lot of walking and a lot of sightseeing. There has been so many people here. It's been a little bit crowded. It's interesting to see the number of people that come at this time of year for the festivals, and of course for the Royal Military Tattoo and all the shows that are happening, street vendors everywhere. I did take a little bit of a walk today and stopped at WEX Photo store and ended up having to buy this capture because the
the hip where I bought that new belt that I showed you guys from New York. Wasn't working very good, so I ended up having to buy a better system so that my camera wouldn't fall. Rode the tram for the first time, yeah, ride, and I ended up because Tammy wasn't feeling, so she got the Scottish. Hopefully I don't get them, because tomorrow I'm hoping she doesn't spread the cooties to me. I know you're trying. And so I ended up going to the Queen's Britannia, which is gorgeous yacht. Well worth the visit. I did spend a lot of time there. You do some reading and you climb all the different levels, and you get to see lifestyle and where they stayed and just some beautiful pictures. And then I had myself, it's weird, I don't usually eat by myself. I always think that eating is a social event, but I ended up doing tea by myself, and I had a wonderful ham sandwich with some tea and some chips, and then I got a to-go box for Tammy so that she was able to have a ham sandwich as well. And then I rode the tram back, and I was so excited to ride this tram. I figured it out all by myself. If anybody knows me, they know I'm totally directionally challenged and can't ever figure anything out. So riding the tram and actually stopping at the right stop and getting off was amazing. Then tonight we ended up going to see the
Palace of Holyrood.
The Palace of Holyrood. Unfortunately, by the time that we got there, it was closed, so we only got to see the outside. It's unfortunate since Tammy wasn't feeling well. I needed to come back to the room, and so we missed our opportunity to see it when it was open. But it was very nice, and then we walked around for dinner. It was very crowded. Dinner was a little bit tight. Lots of people everywhere, so a lot of places asked for reservations and they had no extra seating. But overall, we loved it here. I feel like I could come back and see a whole other side of Edinburgh that we missed. There are so many things to see and do here that I feel like this could be a place where I would totally return to over and over again. But for now, we're done with Edinburgh. I'll see you tomorrow in Inverness. Bye.